Hello everybody, I just got my brand new boat set. It's made by Intex and it's good for 5 persons. The set includes the pump, the pedals, and it has 2 comfortable seats. The boat is good for 600 kilograms. The set has 3 pieces: the boat, the motor, and the kit to fix the motor and the boat. The motor has an adjustable stick, the battery meter, and its capacity. You can see the capacity of the motor, and there are 5 gear forward and 3 gear backwards. And the third kit is the motor mount kit. With it you can fix the motor to the boat. Open the boxes carefully. Check the motor. It has the battery meter for the 12-volt battery. It has the power lever, the mount kit, and the screw propeller. It seems quite massive. I try to clear this mess to unpack this boat. It needs space. Unpacking the box of the boat. I have no idea what it is. Here is a rope. Oh, well, it's very useful because when you blow the boat, you can check the pressure, whether it's too hard or not, the way you blow it up. Okay. What else is in it? Oh, here is the pump. We have to work with it. Other kits. And here is the boat. It's quite heavy. It's not a very small boat, about 3.66 meters long and 1.68 meters wide. Now I start to pump it. I will check the time, and I start to blow the boat from inside to outside. Now I finished blowing up the boat. It lasted about 10 10 minutes or a bit more than 10 minutes, so it wasn't too long. And here you can find the manual inflatable boat, so there's some information and in it, and it's a very important thing, this centimeter. You can see how hard you blow up the boat. So I don't know exactly. Aha, I still need to blow it a bit more. And it's the same here. Oh, well, this one is good. It's exactly the... Let's check it again. Oh, perfect. The motor mount holder. I opened the box and now I try to fix it on the back of the boat. With difficulties, but I managed to fix this motor mount kit. I didn't need any tools to do it, so I put it on the boat now. First stick goes here, second goes here, and I try to put these two into these two holes. Okay, and now I fix this kit with these screws. I put it here. I need to push it. Yes. That's it. Okay. Right, and we have to do the same with these two parts of the kit. Okay. I finished with the motor mount kit, so it's quite stable. And now I bring the motor, and then I put the rope around the boat, and I also put the pedals on the boat. And the motor is in this position before you put the boat on the water. And when you want to put the motor into the water, this is how you can do it. This way, carefully. And if you want to put the screw propeller out of the water, you have to push it this way. So it's a very important and useful thing. I did it. So I managed to fix everything on this boat. I really love it. I can't wait to try it out on the water. Other equipments you need to buy. These equipments are not in this boat set. Very important thing is a life vest. It depends on your weight, so the size of this life vest. I bought these two, and what is very, very important is the battery. I bought this battery and this battery charger. The motor is good for 35 ampere, and I bought a battery which can go to 90 ampere, so I can use this motor for about 2.5 hours. And another equipment which is very useful is this waterproof military bag. And don't forget another very important thing what you need on your boat, and this is the flag. Our flag, I mean my flag, is this one. So it's going to be a pirate boat. I'm ready to go.